Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video I will discuss about iPhone not receiving incoming calls. So how to fix this problem. So if you are facing this problem, so keep watching this video until the end. So guys, first of all open setting and now scroll down and find out phone application. Here is tap on it and scroll down, tap on call forwarding here. So guys, if call forwarding is on, to make sure turn off call forwarding from here, and after that go back from here and now scroll down and tap on silent unknown callers. Tap on it. Guys, if silent unknown callers turn on to turn off from here, so what happened? So guys, unknown number is calling you will be silenced or blocked if you are turn this on. So only those numbers which you are stored in your iPhone contact list will be able to call you. Otherwise, all the unknown callers will be blocked if you are turning on. So kindly turn this off. So guys, go back if this method doesn't work. Open Control Center here. So guys, if focus mode is turned on, so double check must be turned off. Do not disturb. So go back from here, open setting application and find out phone application again. Tap on it and now tap on announce calls. So guys, check it must be select on always. Here after selecting the go back from here, see next solution. Scroll down, open block contacts. So friends, check here that you have to not accidentally blocked a number that is calling you, because block contact does not receive calling on your iPhone. So simply remove any if you are blocked by mistake. So guys, go back from here after this solution and see next solution is close this window and open setting again and now tap on cellular and now guys tap on network selection. So guys, if you have any option showing here 5G 4G, so switch to between 5G to 4G. So try this solution once time or two time. I hope your problem will be solved. So guys, this is the last solution. So keep open setting and now scroll down, tap on general. Now scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset. Guys, tap on reset network setting. Guys, any problem inside your iPhone about no service, calling issue, Wi-Fi issue, about network issue will be solved after reset network setting. So I hope will be solve your problem by this setting. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.